Hey guys, Victor Kayak here. I'm using two cameras. See how that goes? But anyways, I'm going to change my mats for the kayak. There's some noise out there, I'm sorry. Well, I got some roofing next door. Putting some new roof. You know, so you're gonna hear that the nail gun going out. So like I said, sorry about that noise. There's nothing else I can do. It's a perfect weather to record my video, because next Monday it's gonna be down to 44 again. So here we go. I got the new mats. It's already peeling out the old one. You know. There we go. So I can put the new one. Then I gotta get some Windex, you know, so I can clean the base and put the new one. So I'll be back in a minute. Well, you can see that I took the old mat, smoothed it out a little bit with this, you know, to take all the glue out. You know how it is. One's always give you trouble. The second one's come easier for some reason. So everything is smooth so far. You know? So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new mat and see how that is. Well, one of my camera has a microphone. The other one's a regular microphone. So when you see the different angle, you're gonna notice the sound. You know, so this is gonna be the new mats right here. Like that. Here they are, the new mats, ready done. You know, ready done. They look awesome. I don't know if you can tell. There. Right there. Right there. This is an idea how the cooler is going to look in the front of the kayak. It's going to be something like this in between. See right here? Just get up. Open, boom, close. That's it. So I'm gonna get the pad eyes. Then we came with the straps right here, and put them one here, one here, one here, and one here. And I don't think I don't know. I got this part right here. I maybe use this right here, you know. So, we continue our project. Well, guys, here we go. Finished product. Did the mats, and they came with those extra little pads, you know, for the holes, and I took off right here. So sorry about the noise again one more time. I put them in the base of the front hatch because it was slipping, and now it's not going anywhere, you know, just to hold it down, and now it's perfect. Sorry about the shaking too much. That's it. DIY cooler for my catch. We continue our work in the kayak. We got a new chair. It looks awesome, man. That's a new chair. 2017. for the Jackson kayak. The only difference that I don't have is the little pocket that go here and the two pockets that go on the side. You know, but in of that, I can still put boxes under the seat, on the sides and under the seat anyway. So I tie my boga grip anyway, so it don't matter. But it looks awesome, you know, high position and low position. That's it. That's how it goes. Low and high. Tie it down with the strap right here. You know, with the strap through here. Boom. Excuse me, and that's it. He also comes I can do backwards. He also comes with the bag. It goes behind the seat. Like that. That's the big difference from the 2016 to the 17. There you go. And it goes something like that. You know? This is it. Now I'm gonna do the handles. I'll be back. Well guys, one more time, sorry about the noise. Still working on the roof back there. Let me show you the finished product. The new seat, the mat, the cooler, and my cooler for my fish. So here we go. Put her in the front. It won't go anywhere. Just hold it. Right there. The mats. The new 2017 mats for the big rig Jackson kayak. The handles with the white stripe saying kayak, saying Jackson kayak also. Got it in the front, all the way, right there. The new seat, and it looks awesome. And what I like about this seat is a lumbar right here. Instead of putting the one that came last year, the year before last year, they extended the back out. They're supposed to. It looks nice, awesome. The new bag, water resistant bag that I can put all my stuff in it. Right there. My cooler. It's gonna be like that, the way you see it. If I want to put it down, I have to remove the roll holders, but I don't want to do that. So it's resting right there on the roll holders. It's not making any weight, you know, just holding. The cooler, of course, it's a small cooler. I just put a couple waters and a couple packs of the ice that I got in my freezer. I'm tied down with 4 straps all the way. My roll holder on the back, I got 7. Somebody mentioned that how did I screw my my screw to the cooler. Well, what I did is, so it won't come loose, I put a Gorilla Glue a little bit and all around, so it won't come off. You know, put in the cooler, taking it off, put it in cooler, taking it off. right here. So they got glue all the way. Those two, you know, those two screws on the pipe eye, they got glue all around, so it won't come off. Like I said, it's a finished product right there with the cooler, the seat, and my catch cooler. It looks awesome, man. I like how it looks. Let me see. Let me get a couple rods and my flag. I'll be back in a minute. Hey, one more time. I opened the cooler all the way. See, won't bother the rods on the back. No problem. See? That's it. My battery's dying. Here we go. Here we go. Ready for battle. See you later, guys. Hey guys, before I go, I want to thank Stan, my friend, because he made me this lanyard for my remote. It's a two pieces, you know. Put it together, hang in the neck, and that's it for my remote. I love it. So the only thing I have to do is just, you know, put it apart, and that's it, and come off. Like I said, one more time, thank you, Stan. Appreciate it. I love it. I really do love it. And now I can go, you know, put my remote in my neck, and you go on there and do some movies or some videos, actually. Like I said, one more time, thank you, Stan. I appreciate it. See you in the water.